Alright. Blog update. It's day 3. Day 3. We're in Kyoto.
Can you say that more demanding now to the camera?
Kyoto's cool.
We're in Kyoto. We're in Kyoto. We're in Kyoto!
Down. Up.
Down.
Up. Down. Up.
Look at the
Down.
camera.
Okay,
L-U.
let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday, we went from Kyoto, Scratch, we went from Tokyo to Kyoto.
Oh my god, what the? We are leaving Asakusa and we're heading to Kyoto. We're gonna have we're gonna take the bullet train and we're gonna have a nice ride there. It's gonna be about 2-3 minutes in length, 2-3 hours in length. So we're heading down to the Ginza line, and if you look right here, you'll see that we will need to make a transfer.
Trying to buy a ticket to Tokyo, but to the Tokyo train station, but we don't know what number that is because it's all in Japanese.
A lot of problems, no solution. Yamanote line. We go one stop, then we purchase the air bullet ticket, as I like to call it. My suitcase matched the train that we just took here. Both green, lime green. Look at it! Look at it! What are those? What are those? Our train leaves at 1 o'clock. Right now.
Check my watch.
Right now, it's 12:57. We have 3 minutes to make it to the train. Davide, hurry up and sign
Watch
up,
the signature,
please.
watch the signature, watch the signature. Oh my god. Boom.
Which one? The gate attendant. Gate attendant.
Oh, not here?
Oh.
Freeze is supposed to get
Thank you.
We missed our train, but I think we'll be alright. We are now going to take the world's shortest escalator.
Major screw up on my part. Figured that the non-reserved seats would be at the back. They're actually at the front. So kind of, the first shall be last sort of thing. Last shall be first.
We went the wrong way. We got to walk all the way down this stupid train. And the train is moving. We're walking at 200 miles an hour. We're at number 8. We got 5 more to go. We finally made it to the unreserved seats. Look. Can I speak? Thank you. We made. Can I speak? We made it to Kyoto. However, the problem is, like always, we don't know how to get to our hostel. We don't know what the next step is.
Oh, you do?
I had directions, yeah, I screenshotted 5 things on Google Maps.
Like I said.
Couple blocks, and then we take a left, and we're there.
We don't know what that one's called.
Higashisanocho.
That really long one? Let me see that.
Higashisanocho. Are we on Higashisanocho?
No, we're not.
We're trying to find our sushi restaurant.
Oh, you did well.
I'm good at this.
Surprised that retention hasn't been on like
Mo, how's the sushi?
really good.
Looks delicious. Man.
Very good.
One octopus. Two. I'm good. I'm good. That's how it's done.